ladies and gentlemen. The launch, ladies and gentlemen, of ISMC 2019. A big round of applause.
TV is currently at the first International Smart Manufacturing 4.0 conference that is now held in MITI, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This event is organized by Lean Smart Industry Solutions and Malaysia Robotics and Automation Society, MIRAS.
It will be held for 3 days with extensive knowledge and experience sharing by our international renowned speakers from multiple countries. The event brings local and international industry experts and subject matter experts in the Industry 4.0 implementation.
This is to discuss various readiness and challenges faced by manufacturing industries in Malaysia to successfully implement Industry 4.0.
Yes, this is an international conference that you and your organization must never miss. I'm Shasha Jamal.
I'm Shaza Bey,
reporting for C21 TV from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.